Hi guys, so my name is Kelly Pouncey. I'm trying to look up to make sure we go over. Okay, yeah, so I would prefer to go by Kelly Pouncey. I am pursuing an EDS in middle grades reading education. I am in my second semester. I'm taking 3 courses this semester. I took three this summer. I'm taking 3 in the spring, and then we're taking 1 in the summer. So yay! My second foreign language teaching or learning background. So I'm dyslexic, so learning another language is very hard for me. I took Spanish growing up and then switched over to French. So I speak a little bit of that, but I will say my Spanish has gotten a lot better because I teach ESOL reading. And throughout my experience of teaching ESOL reading, I understand Spanish a lot better now. So my purpose for taking this course is that I really want to make sure I'm giving the best educational experience possible for my students, and I want to make sure that I just want to be the best teacher for them and that I know all the techniques to help them succeed in school. What else? I love to travel, and I also think that would be really important to, learn another language because I love to travel. So, yep, that's really it. Let me see. Fill survey as a teacher. Yep. So,